So my question would be that what's that one thing that could convert leads into customers?
Okay, the thing is, first is I have to build trust by giving value in consistency. It is not like just one time game. You have to giving value to your audience consistency, and that is what uh, given me the best result. And yeah, that's how I got it.
How would you nurture your community? Like, what is the main thing that you always take care while going live and while nurturing your community?
Make sure that I always address their burning problem. Okay, and when I see that these people are facing this kind of problem, I keep eye on that. And as an entrepreneur, we have to be a problem solver, not just a money maker, right? The more bigger problem we can solve, the bigger money we can make, right? So I always talk about what are the current challenges they're facing. Whenever they join my group, I say, "Oh, what is the one challenge you are facing?" So that is like I keep eye on the problem and they keep trying to solve that problem. So that is the one biggest thing that people love my content. Even I'm not that uh, good. I have a good communication skill. I am super expert in speaking, but people know the intentions behind my content. So that is the best thing that people love my content and they try to. So they definitely buy from me. Yeah.
Awesome, great, really powerful message. You said ki always you're looking for solving problems, and this is the main thing because people sense the profit focused approach, and also they are very much keen to sense the mission focused approach as well. So if you are there to help, then they would be ready to take the help as well. So it's
Exactly.
really very awesome.
What is this
Yeah,
show all about?
I'm thinking to start it like Shubhvardan, like it's a 1 minute show.
Why don't you like do it such a long? Because when I what I see, I get my best customer from this log. Many people say this is a like,
Yeah.
short-term journey. Siddharth always talk about the people who are engaged with for such a long period of time. They are your real buyers. They are your real fan. We don't need like thousands of followers. Okay, we are not like we're freedom-focused entrepreneur, not fame-focused entrepreneurs. Fame-focused, they just run behind followers, right?
Yes.
We are a freedom focus. Even if we have a 5 people, they are listening for a 1 hour podcast, they are going to buy definitely because they have a patience. They are completely like aligned with our vision. So they are staying till the end. And those people are real buyers.
Yes.
Yeah. Because
Absolutely.
so I in reels what happens, it's like a few seconds. So there is like entertainment, but we have to edutainment them through a longer format. So do it 1 minute, that's perfectly fine, but that is for your short format content, but also do long format for content that is going to actually uh, get you real audience. Okay. Yeah.
Yes. Yes, I am looking forward to have long form content as well. But
Yep.
now for as of now, just starting, I'm just looking at the in the shortest step that I can take.
One question I would ask, like at this age where people are just watching movies, they wanted to do like spend time on mobile chit chat, but you, what motivates you to like work on at this age? Because many people think okay, 25 साल होगा जब ग्रेजुएशन खत्म होगा तब करेंगे. But what motivates you to like to get into this journey very early stage?
All right. So my motivation is actually, the message that you cannot let the schooling system interfere in your education. This is quoted by Mark Twain. Most of the gratitude is for my father. If not he, then I am like, I was never be able to,
Exist.
interview you or do and make and create any content or anything on the social media or on the camera. It's like impossible for me, and this is not a
Wow.
great job. Anyone can do it, and it's very true as well that the the economy is going to be skill focused economy. And
Mm.
today what is happening with students and also the college and all graduated postgraduate graduated students as well is they are they are becoming intellectual bankrupts. They are becoming
Mm-hmm.
intellectual bankrupts. They have the intelligence, but with those certifications as well, they are not able to build that build that stable business or job or anything. Okay, so
Mm.
the problem here is they are too much dependent on the education that they have got. So I would say that education is life is whole education. Okay, so it's not just the school format. What we learn in school is just the education part. So we have to keep on learning and learning and
Mm-hmm.
implementing what we have learned. So
Mm-hmm.
this is what motivates me actually. My father has also told me that each and every time just keep on observing life, have a perspective of seeing life in like not just see it as life but see it as how you are living it. All right.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm not just thinking about life. I'm only I am also thinking about that how I am living it. Okay, so the best possible way that I can live my life. All the time productivity is also not good, so I have some moments for chilling and watching
Telling
movies
him.
as well, but most of the time is productive time. So it's like
Mm.
it's on me that how much I can uh, you know how much I can use the best, make the best out of it. So I am on
Mm.
that. So this is what makes me motivates me to do something, make some content and post it so that others can get help. And this is not a
Right.
great job, anyone can do it. All right, anyone, if
Mm.
he or she focuses on how they can make the best out of their life, they will do it. So it's not
So,
a
what's your
big
name?
deal.
What's your name? I forgot to ask. What's your name?
My name is Vardan Sahu.
Vardan. So, Vardan, it is great that you got that environment. First, kudos to your father. He has given you that space to grow yourself, and that is the blessings you got. So, first, thanks to your father, Navinji,
Yes.
and because Siddharth always say like your environment is stronger than your willpower. Something you might do any other thing, but you got that environment that you are spending the right time with right person, and yeah, that is awesome things
I
you are
am
doing.
always, most of the gratitude is for my father. If not he, then I am like, I was never be able to,
Exist.
interview you or do and make and create any content or anything on the social media or on the camera. It's like impossible for me. All right. So the first and foremost gratitude and the all the, thank and gratefulness goes to my father, and
Yeah.
he is the only one,
Where is
my
he? I
greatest
wanted
and
to.
biggest inspiration.